wonder what Marquis Brownlee's up to. Oh, it's giving an announcement. Okay.
Beanies for the winter months, and then some actual products. So the desk mat slash mouse pad we've been teasing a few times is actually incredible. I love it.
That's really nice. That desk mat is really nice. I think I need a desk mat. Yeah, I think I need a desk mat. Definitely. Yeah, I'm gonna get it. So I guess now we wait, guys. How long will it take? Will it come before or will it come after?
4 to 6 weeks later.
After waiting over a month for the MKBHD Desk Pad to arrive, it is finally here. Before you say to yourself, wow, it took so long? Here's the thing, I chose the cheapest shipping option. There were faster shipping option, but that was out of my budget, which is really sad. Very sad. Anyways, let's start this video. Here's the package, my first time opening it. Let's be quiet for the unboxing. Oh man, I've been waiting for this MKBHD Desk Pad for so long, guys. First thing, right out of the box, it looks better in person. And you can see that this is high quality in terms of how this desk pad was made. If you look closely on this desk pad, you can see that the design is very deeply printed inside the pad. So I'm pretty sure this design won't wear out very fast over time. In terms of how this desk pad feels, it feels very soft, and I can see that my mouse will be very more efficient while using this underneath it. But let's lay out this desk pad and test it out while gaming and doing some productive tasks. Here's me playing Fortnite on this desk pad. Here's me playing Minecraft on this desk pad. Here's me using Adobe Premiere Pro on this desk pad. The desk pad is designed in a way that it won't be sliding all over the place, which is really good because who want their desk pad to move when they're moving their mouse? That would be very annoying. Also, this desk pad is not just for mouse. You can place your laptop on it, your tablet on it, your smartphone on it, your bottle on it, anything as long as you are comfortable with it on your desk. There's not much bad to say about this desk pad if I'm being honest. The only thing that I would say is that I would want more design option and more option in size, because now it just comes in one design and one size, as you can see. I'll be using this desk pad on my desk, so feel free to ask me any questions about it in the comment section. That's pretty much it for this video, guys. Let me know if you are planning to get this desk pad or if you already have this desk pad. Thanks for watching this video. If you like my home screen setup for my PC in this video, then check this video out where I show you how to get that minimalistic design on your home screen.